Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to share that Toyota just did something to significantly improve the way my Tundra drives. I want to share what they did and why I think you should ask them to do the same thing to your truck. Let's go talk about it. All right, so I just brought my truck in for a recall notice that I got concerning the reverse lights. They had to change out the reverse lights on the back of the truck because apparently they can collect water. So brought the truck in for that. While I was scheduling that appointment, I saw some chatter about a TSB that had been released for the Tundra because of a hesitation during acceleration. Now, I've complained about that and mentioned that in another video that I had, something that I didn't like about the truck. I was looking for a solution on. And when I saw this TSB, I'm like, hey, that's really interesting. And let me find out more about this. Is it real or not? And it was real. So this TSB is called Hesitation from a Rolling Stop, and it's TSB 0032-26. It states that some customers of 2022 through 2026 Toyota Tundras equipped specifically with a V35A engine, non-hybrid, may experience one or more of the following driving-related conditions. And it lists two things: a hesitation from a rolling stop and a hesitation from a quick stop. My truck absolutely had that, and it was a constant problem. So my truck, when it was having these issues, it would do it whether it was warm and had been driving for a while, or if it was a cold start and just starting to move in the beginning of the day, driving through my neighborhood up to a stop sign or intersection or something like that, where you're stopping quickly and then accelerating through. It would have a lag, and it was a real problem. I didn't like it. I had looked for some aftermarket options. I looked at like a pedal commander or something similar to that to plug in to fix this issue and adjust the sensitivity of the gas pedal and the acceleration of the truck. But when I saw this TSB mentioned, I was like, hey, let me print this off. And I brought it with me to my service appointment for the warranty work. And I said, hey, while you've got the truck, can you check and see if this also applies to my truck? I'd like to have this done. Handed it to the service advisor. He looked it up in his system and he said, hey, it's here. I see it. Interesting. I've not really seen this before, but it looks like it's a limited mileage TSB. So he told me that there's two categories for this TSB. One is a 3-year, 36,000 mile coverage, which it can be done for a truck. And then the next was like a 70+ thousand mile coverage, which I think is related to being that this is a 22 through 26 TSB. Maybe it's for the older 22s and 23s that are past that 36,000 mileage point, but they want to give a chance to owners to do this. So regardless of that, he said he could do this. It is a reflash of the TCM. And so the transmission control module is plugged in and updated with a reflash software update that fixes this issue and makes the shifting a lot more responsive and a lot less hesitation when accelerating from that quick stop or a rolling stop. So what he told me, he went back and he talked to the service, the coordinator in the back who schedules and manages the shop. They had everything there to do the work, so they were able to do it on the same appointment. It took a couple hours to do both jobs for the truck when I dropped it off. But he told me that because they had to check whether or not my truck was covered under warranty for this work, I had to sign to be willing to pay a diagnostic fee of like $177 to have this checked. If they determined it was under that coverage, then I would pay nothing. If it was not covered, I could pay out of pocket. So I told them to go ahead and do it. I'd like to do it, sign the paperwork, and went on my way. When I went to pick up the truck afterwards, got in and drove away, and let me tell you, it is significantly improved in the driving experience of the truck. I can't imagine going back to the way it was. It is a noticeable difference and a significant improvement to the acceleration at low speed from that quick stop and that rolling stop. So I wanted to share this with you. If you own one of these trucks, I recommend next time you bring it to the dealership, you ask the service advisor about this TSB, print it off or take a snapshot from this video and show them the TSB itself, have them look it up and see if it applies to your truck. even if it's not something that the warranty is going to cover, I really recommend paying out of pocket. I would absolutely pay out of pocket. If my truck was not covered under warranty for this, I would have paid out of pocket to have this done because it is totally worth it. And I think it's even cheaper than some of these aftermarket pedal commander options that are out there. So I recommend this. I would never want to go back to the way it was. It drives great. I can't wait to drive it as the computer kind of goes through the reset. And I think there's a little bit of a relearning period. It should get even better as it learns my driving style again. And so this is going to be great. I recommend it. And I think anyone who owns a Tundra should look at having this done to their truck, as it significantly improves the driving characteristics and the acceleration of the trucks. So yeah, I wanted to recommend this to anyone who owns a Tundra. Go ahead and ask about this, get it done next time you go to the dealer. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.